In this video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a scheduling widget on a page in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here to our content and choose the page that you want to edit. I have right here my page and I want to actually embed right here a scheduling page. So to do this, you just need to head over and then make sure to create first a scheduling widget. If you don't have this yet, you can head over to your dashboard, then go over to the sales. Then from this case, you can just locate the option for the scheduling. So if it's not, you can head over and click onto the search and search right here for scheduling. Click on meeting scheduler. Once you're in there, click on this copy link. You can also have the option to embed it. So click on actions and click on embed and copy the code right here. Now head over right here into your actual page. And on this case, we just need to add right here by clicking on this plus icon. Click on the search and search right here for embed. You can also just search for HTML if it's available, but generally we just need to embed right here this. You can also have the option to add right here the button. So for example, let's edit this button. Let's click on this learn more button and then let's change right here this book a call. Then you can choose the link like URL, blog, and the likes. Let's head over and add right here the URL that we have copied earlier. And once you have done this, you just need to head over and preview and publish it once you're done. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.